So I've heard about iGood oil or the five oils, but I'm sure a lot of readers, sorry, listeners don't know about it. What is the benefit of this oil and how is it used?
Yeah, this is normally in the system of running a house uh, by our ancient people. For illumination, we light lamps in the night because those days there was no electricity. We were not dependent on an electricity. Even in as good as 1920s, 30s, 40s, and all that, you can imagine there is no electricity, there is no fan, there is no lamps, there is no mixie, there is no grinder, there is no gas stove. You can imagine what a beautiful life it is. So after the sunset, they used to light lamps. Okay. So in puja room, they used to light lamps in the evening, whatever. Uh, Now, Aingutu Ennai is one of the beautiful system. See, in an open atmosphere, you put walls and you put roof and make a house. So then when you come out with such configuration of a living unit where you protect yourself inside from the sun and from the rain and from the breeze and whatnot, right? Your household. Normally animals don't build houses, only human build houses. So we have our own science behind it. Whether it's Vastu Shastra and all that. So we'll come to that later. Aingutu Ennai is, one of the important, discovery those days. Now every house with the people inside, makes a lot of difference. When there are no people inside the house, it becomes different. When there are people inside the house, it becomes different because of your biomagnetic energy of your body. Yeah, yeah. So there are a lot of negative waves and positive waves inside the house. That based on the people who live inside, based on the people who come from outside, and based on their different, planetary positions, there are a certain period of times. So there are a number of reasons for such negative conditions to set in, which are called the acidic condition. And if it is a positive, this thing, it's an alkali condition. Like temples are designed in such a way, they are always in alkali condition in a positive manner. That's why you go to temple for a period of time and come back. So now this Aingutu Ennai is designed for that. You put a big vessel, that clay pot, and then put a thread on it and put this oil. What are these five oil? One is ghee, cow ghee. Second one is neem oil. Third one is that velakenna, castor oil. Fourth one is pungam, that pungamaram, that seed oil, pungam oil. The fifth one is ilipam. Ilipam is a tree, that oil. These five oils are taken and equal proportions are put in. Say put 1 kg of each in a bucket and mix it nicely, homogeneously mix it. Use this oil for lighting one lamp in your house in the main living area. What happens is this, because of the neem is there, it keeps all the pest and flies and mosquitoes away. They don't come in because of the smell.
Right, yeah.
This is one. Two,
True, yeah.
fire burning out of this, the small fire burning out of from this oil, makes the entire place, drive away the negative conditions, the acidic conditions, make the whole place alkali. It is so good for the harmony of your life. That smell which comes out of that Aingutu Ennai, that lamp, the smells comes out, has a lot of impact over your brain, your thinking pattern and whatnot. Smell plays a lot of role. If you stay there for 1 hour, you will not know the smell because you are used to it. But then it has its own impact on you. Generally, it is very healthy because of these 5 oils are together burning for your entire physiology, your breathing and everything. There are people who know this science. They make this lamp burn 24 hours a day.
Yeah.
Aingut Ennai, if you know the science, if you can make it burn 24 hours a day,
Armpit oil.
24 hours a day in your house, it's going to do a lot of good thing to the house, lot of good thing to the people around there. Definitely the negative conditions, negative vibrations of the house is completely driven away. It makes a lot of sense. You're not going to find all these effects in a microscope or a scanning machine in your computers. You will not be able to do all these kind of, understanding to your computer stimulation. But these are all things which has got basic sense behind a human life and the living area of the human beings.
Very, very true, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much.